daddy up there. There used to be just one and now there's 3. It's so cute. We're going back to the nest.
Hmm?
He nearly fell over. Oh, such a tiny little fluff ball, like how Nugget used to be.
Oh look, Casey, cutie. Oh.
Look, there's Mummy. Mummy's come. Mummy's scared because we're close.
So hurry up. Dangerous. Oh, let's get away. It's not fair. It's really up.
They still got 1 egg in there. I don't know if it just didn't hatch or if it's not until maybe another day it hatch.
Look how she followed him.
Aww. Oh look, and there's the other one.
Oh, that was the mom.
I can't really tell which one's the mum and the dad. I don't know. I wouldn't know until I saw the foot. Aww. Maybe it only hatched today or sometime in the night. Because this one's not hatched yet.
Yeah.
Usually they hatch one day after another.
Yeah.
So maybe by tomorrow that one will hatch as well.